hello, and welcome to the Star First Show, El. Ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about those twinkling giants?
Tonight's discussion is all about stars, F, their birth, life, and death. It's a cosmic journey. Let's start with the beginning. How are stars even born? So, stars are just magically. They form from these massive clouds of gas and dust, called molecular clouds.
You know, a baby star is called protostar, still growing and heating up. Groups of these newly formed stars are called stellar clusters.
You can see the glimpse of how the star is born here.
This is how stars are formed. We start with a molecular cloud consisting of hydrogen. This cloud is in a very delicate balance between the forces of gravity and the internal pressure from the radiation. Without any external stimuli, the cloud will just stay like this forever, but give it a push and gravity will begin to win. This causes the molecular cloud to collapse and fragment into pieces. Each little clump of the cloud will get denser and denser as gravity compresses it, and when gas gets compressed, it gets hot. The higher the pressure that builds up, the hotter the gas gets. Now, after hundreds of thousands of years of this slow collapse, we get tiny specks that we call protostars. Now, these things are hot, around a few thousand degrees Celsius, but not nearly hot enough to form fully fledged stars. As the protostars continue shrinking, the pressure will continue heating the star up until the core reaches a critical temperature of 13 million degrees Celsius, which allows hydrogen to fuse into helium. This nuclear reaction is the engine that powers the star and marks the beginning of its life.
Wow, that video was really informative. I am awestruck. Since NASA has sent so many satellites, have they found something like this?
Yes, definitely. Let's look at what NASA has discovered in space.
NASA's Spitzer Space Telescope is unraveling the mystery of how the Earth evolved out of space dust. New Spitzer images have revealed significant amounts of icy dust particles that may help explain the origin of planet-forming disks. Sprinkled throughout the dusky clouds, almost 14,000 light-years from Earth, are 300 never-before-seen newborn stars. NASA scientists are finding that stars are being born inside a dense, icy veil of planet-forming or protoplanetary gas and dust.